PRM is a local track maintenance and construction company based here in Karratha. We offer a whole suite of services including re-sleepering, re-railing, full track renewal and track construction. Working in the rail industry provides challenges like no other. Working in the Pilbara is another level of difficulty in some elements. It's those challenges that I love the most about the business and what we do here in Karratha. Recently we've started operating Rio Tinto's ballast cleaner, which has been a great addition to our portfolio. Our major projects team has completed several large-scale projects over the last 2 years, which have been a really good collaboration with Rio Tinto.
PRM is a wonderful supplier for us because of their flexibility, their drive for quality and innovation, and their collaborative approach to partnership. Working alongside PRM, we've been able to transform our productivity and change the way we work to make it safer. What's great about working with PRM is they're really passionate about our rail network and they work really hard with us to be able to make sure we're more successful.
Our business's passion for innovation has driven our team to help find a better way in every activity that they do. It's fantastic to be recognised for this award. However, I am just a representative of an outstanding team, so probably the most satisfying thing is seeing our team get recognition for the relentless efforts that they've put in the last 12 months in particular. Our relationship with Rio Tinto has evolved into a true collaboration. Working with an innovative company like Rio Tinto that has a real drive to get there in a sustainable way, the sky's the limit.